Have you ever seen this unique structure hanging down a tree and wondered what it might be? It is a nest built by a bird known for its intricate weaving skills, which has captured the awe of observers for centuries. This is the Baya Weaver, an artist of nature. Meet the Baya Weaver, a sparrow-sized bird famous for its woven nest. They are social and gregarious birds, seen in grasslands, wetlands, farmlands, and even in urban areas. They breed during the monsoon season as there is enough food and fresh grass to weave the nest. The male weaver bird is the architect of these remarkable structures. Breeding males molt a bright yellow and brown plumage which makes them stand out, while the females look similar to the house sparrow. Using long strips of grass, leaves, and twigs, he meticulously weaves together each strand, creating a pendulous retort-shaped nest. The nest consists of a central nesting chamber and a long vertical entrance tube that leads to a side entrance to the chamber. The males usually build nests in colonies of up to 20 to 30 individuals, with each nest taking around 18 days and 500 trips to be constructed. The nests are often built on the outermost branches of the tree, hanging over water to keep it safe from predators such as snakes and rodents. The grass strips are plaited together so securely that it is impossible to separate them. The artistic weaving is not just about creating a home, but a means of survival. The sturdiness of the nest helps to withstand strong winds, heavy rainfall, storms, ensuring the safety of the offspring. Sometimes the birds bring in small lumps of wet clay which they stick to various parts of the interior of the nest to make it weather sealed. Once the male is halfway done with the nest, it starts calling out to females to come and inspect his nest. And the female carefully inspects the nest. She is impressed and has accepted his nest. If she would have not accepted his nest, he would have either torn it down or abandoned it. The female lays 2 to 4 eggs and incubates them for about 14 to 17 days. Baya weavers are polygynous, where a single male mates with multiple females. After mating with a female, the male typically courts other females at partially constructed nests to maximize its success of passing on its genes. Despite habitat loss and urbanization, the Baya weaver continues to thrive in natural and urban habitats, showing its great adaptability. For our eyes, every nest is a masterpiece, crafted with skill, dedication, and love. As we marvel at their beautiful work, let us not forget the power and resilience which they teach us. Mother Nature truly has its wonders, and we can rightly say that the Baya Weaver is a true artist of nature.